Hi friends, when we are starting a retail business, we all searching a thermal printer. This is a thermal printer, 80 auto cut high speed thermal printer. The speed of this thermal printer is 200 per second. And you can see it's a beautiful build quality you can see over here. And here you will see there is push open system you can see over here in the right side. And here you will see the feed button you can see over there in the front side. And there is some light indication you can see over here. There is on-off switch you can see in the right side. This is the on-off switch basically. And in the back side you can see this is the USB adapter you can find. And there is cash drawer adapter you can find. And there is direct 230 volt power supply you can connect it over here. So these all options are there in this printer. If you come to the back side, you will see there is supporting bush, everything you can find in the for the support, and you will see there is hooks, everything you can find if you want to hang somewhere this printer. So this all things you can find it over there, and there is a label or badging you can see over here, and it is clearly shown that 320M. 80 200 per second, the print speed. So this all things you can find, and the body quality you can see when you are touching this printer. You will feel it. It's a beautiful build quality. And if you check in these corners, you will see all this corner is sharply, very sharp, clean, perfectly joined. All these things you can find. And the build quality, again I am saying, super awesome. The plastic quality, everything is beautiful. And when we are opening this printer like that, see, here you will see there is some rolling mechanism, everything is there. There is some gears, you can find it over here. See, and it is rolling very nicely. And one only disadvantage I found that there is an open spring mechanism, you can find it over there. Maybe company they can make it is in the concealed system, but it is in open. Okay, but there is no issues basically. And this side you will find all this mechanism like auto cutter mechanism, direct thermal mechanism, everything you can find it. And we will wonder that in this printer there is no cartridge, no ink, no ribbon, nothing. This is direct thermal mechanism. What is direct thermal mechanism? Direct thermal mechanism is the only speciality, the paper roll. This is the paper roll which is using for this kind of printer. This is one kind of carbon. Wherever we are heating, they are getting black. So this direct thermal printer, wherever the letters is there, it's getting black and it's getting heat. The printer, it will produce heat, and that area it will getting black. So we will see the receipt or something like that. And again, there is a disadvantages again in this printer. Like if you make the printout in this printer, after 4 days, 5 days, or 1 week or 2 weeks, it will get vanish. Or if you keep this bill in the sunlight more time, it will vanish very fastly because it is a direct thermal mechanism. Once this is for supermarket retail business, you don't need to keep the bill for a long time. Just see this one, that's it. And we will try to make some printout from the RAINTECH POS billing software. This RAINTECH POS billing software you are seeing over here. This is advanced technology retail billing software basically. And we are making one previous bill reprint again. And you will see that the print quality, super awesome. The speed is super awesome. Again and again I am making the printout. See this one. It's a beautifully printout. And when you are checking this paper, see this from the top you see, from the bottom you see, wherever it is, the sharpness, the extreme sharpness, you can find it over there. This is the speciality in this printer. And in this RAINTECH POS billing software, there is a technology you will find. You can send the bill to customer's mobile WhatsApp directly. This technology is there with the RAINTECH POS billing software. You can put the customer mobile number over there, or if you have any customer is already added in this software, so automatically to that particular customer WhatsApp will go. How the WhatsApp will go? That's the question. The bill which is print out in your right side, the same print it will, same digital copy, it will go to the customer mobile WhatsApp. So that's a technology we build with RAINTECH POS billing software. So in that case, you can decide in this situation whether you need to use this printer or you will give the direct digital bill, digital copy. So these both options are there in RAINTECH POS billing software. And if you are giving digital copy, you can save the money of this printer, you can save the paper, everything, save the environment like that. So this printer cost, again I will tell you, in Amazon you will find near about 5,000 or 5,100 rupees. This printer, it's a beautiful printer basically. So if you want to make this, purchase this printer, of course you can purchase this printer from Amazon or Flipkart, everywhere it is available. So for RAINTECH customers, we are giving some offers. We are directly importing some small quantity printers for our customers only, not for only printer sale. Along with software, we are providing this printer. It's less like 4,500, 4,400 like that. So including shipping, including GST, everything. It's not for all the customers. It's only for RAINTECH Software Limited customers only. So this is the system.